Let me explain you the new key features that are added to your dashboard. Feature number 1. Now you can directly open a slot for your paid students without contacting your relationship manager. How to do it? Go to your weekly calendar and click on a slot which you want to open. The pop-up now has an option: book for a specific student. When you check this, you can see a drop down of all your students. Select the particular student for whom you want to open this slot. Click on the book slot button to book a confirmed class with the student, where this will be helpful when your student requests for timing in which the slot is not opened. Feature number 2. Now you can cancel a class in last 1 hour also. The regular penalty for class cancellation will still be applicable, but we assume that you will definitely cancel a class if there is an emergency. Hence, we provide you this feature where you can cancel your class without consulting your relationship manager. How to do this? Go to your weekly calendar and click on the class you want to cancel. You will now see a drop down menu of the frequently used cancellation reasons. Please select your reason. If your reason is not present, choose Other. Put your comments for the student. These comments will be shared with the students and the parents. Click on Cancel this slot button. Please note that if the class is cancelled within 2 days of scheduled timing, we will book the student's class with a substitute teacher. If it is cancelled before 2 days, we will just ask the parents to reschedule but will not book the student's class with a substitute teacher. Where will this feature be helpful to you? When you cannot take a class due to an emergency, for example, power cut, internet not working, some urgent work, etc. Feature number 3. You can now revise one class after every 10 classes. How to do it? During the class, you will now see Revise a Class button only after C6. When you click on it, you can see the last 10 classes done by the student. You can choose any class you want to revise, select, and enter Submit. After you click Submit the class document, activities, projects will reload and appear for the class you selected. You can now continue revising the class. You can revise as many classes as you wish during the class timing. Please note, 1 credit of the student will get deducted for the revised class. The revise button will disappear after you use it once and will only appear after the next 10 classes. Feature number 4. Now, two slots of teachers will not get wasted if international students book Indian time slots. What is the current problem? Currently, if a student books, for example, 10 a.m. New York time slot, that is 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, then the teachers 7 to 7:30 p.m. and 8:30 to 9 p.m. slots get wasted. We will now show slots starting at 30 minutes also to the international students if those slots overlap with India timings. For example, a 9:30 a.m. New York time, that is 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. This is how student will see the slots.